pirated content, it's a big deal. It's bringing in billions of views. U.S. economy is losing billions of dollars. I don't know if they're losing billions of dollars because did everyone who stole content, were they all prepared to pay for it? Probably not. But anyhow, that's the way they like to phrase it. They have lost more money than ever. Pirated content 200 billion times a year. Within the U.S., you're looking at 15.1 billion pirated streams, pirated content in the TV episode department, and 2.2 on the movie side. And then globally in the world, way more, 215 billion on the total, 215 billion pirated TV and movie content, 44.7 on the films, 170 billion on TV. It's a total of 230 billion views in total, not paid for, but pirated instead. And the industry is unhappy about it. Well, that's what they would be. They want to try to put an end to it. They claim that this is money that belongs to them. They go to the Chamber of Commerce and they try to do things. They try to figure out ways to deal with the torrenting and so forth. You may have heard recently with the Game of Thrones being some of the most pirated stuff ever in the history of mankind. They've tried a bunch of things and there seems to be nothing that can be done about it. Kind of like the music industry. The way that it was supposed to go down is like what happened in the music industry, where, you just give people streaming services and then it'll be so convenient that they'll pay for it.
Yeah.
And of course, we saw that happen. Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music. It actually worked pretty well. People were like, all right, fine. The difference is the movie biz, they want a lot more from you per stream, per subscription. There's a subscription fatigue that we talked about previously. Netflix. I mean, how many subscriptions are you supposed to have? HBO, Apple's new TV Plus. It's a lot of subscriptions for all the content you want to see, and there's no like singular place where you can get everything. Now, I understand you can't get all music on Spotify, but it's almost everything that you might be looking for. So it's easy for you to say, okay, I'll pay the $10 or whatever it might be. In the land of Hollywood and TV, it is so weirdly distributed all over the place, Hulu and here and there. You could be spending hundreds of dollars a month to get everything, or you could just pirate it. Yeah. And you know how humans are going to be. They're going to just say, all right, well, that's easier. I'll just do that. I don't think it's perfect. I don't personally pirate. I don't even watch that much content, to be honest. Like, I don't sit down really and watch a movie. We talked about it before. It's pretty rare. I'll throw on a Netflix here and there, and then I'm on YouTube if I got a few minutes. But I'm watching, I got different habits than I used to when I was younger, had more time. I watch more movies and stuff. But anyhow, they've got a cool post on here. This is on PC Mag of the most pirated movies for the week of June 24th. And we'll just do a quick one through there. Murder Mystery, number 10. That's a Netflix. That's the Adam Sandler Netflix thing. That's number 10, most pirated. Number 9, Glass. M. Night Shyamalan. Number 8, Avengers Endgame. You can see that one coming. I actually expected that one to be a bit higher. And, by the way, this data comes via Torrent Freak. They keep a list of their most pirated stuff. It's kind of rude. I assume Hollywood's not too happy about that. Number 7, Us, from Jordan Peele, the guy who did Get Out. Pokemon Detective Pikachu is in there at number 6. Toy Story 4, number 5. Captain Marvel. What would Captain Marvel be about? I would probably watch that. That would be a thing I would stop my day. I would pay 3 different streaming services to get. I would not pirate it. Captain Marvel, coming to a theater near you, 2027. You see that, Will? Captain Marvel, she's coming in, number 4? Number 3, Escape Plan. Sylvester Stallone, he's still doing it. How old? He's 80, still ripped, and it doesn't matter. And he'll do it forever. He'll do it forever, Will.
Oh, yeah.
Number 2, Brightburn. I haven't heard about this at all. Have you?
Oh, I just watched it. It's terrible.
You just watched it? It's terrible. Okay. All right. Well, that's easy. You don't have to pirate that one.
Don't do it.
Ladies and gentlemen. And number 1, Dumbo. Kind of surprising. The remake of the animated classic, this time headed up by Tim Burton. It didn't do great at the box office, but it won't stop the avalanche of live action remakes that are coming. I mean, it's kind of weird, right? So it doesn't do well at the box office, but the pirates love it. What's that about? Does that showcase a difference in taste?
Maybe different markets.
Different markets?
Hit the theaters in a certain market, and now they're
It's possible. I don't know. Or maybe pirates have a different taste than moviegoers at the theater. I mean, that's quite possible.